Alright, this is number 2 for our lesson 3, Regents prep. So, the question says, solve the equation below for x in terms of a. Again, when it tells me to solve for something, that letter, that is the one I want to get by itself. So, beginning my problem here, I see parentheses. The first thing I want to do is eliminate those parentheses using distribution. So I'm multiplying that 4 to all of the terms inside the parentheses. 4 times ax is simply just going to give me 4ax. 4 times plus 3 will give me 12. And then I'm rewriting everything else that I did not touch. Next, I'm going to ask myself about combining like terms. So I'm going to first look at just the left-hand side of this equation. And I see that, in fact, I do have two like terms. The 4ax and the minus 3ax. I want to make sure I'm including that minus in front of the 3. When I combine those, I get 1ax. Instead of writing 1ax, I'm just going to write ax because that 1 is invisible. And I'm going to continue, again, rewriting everything I did not touch. Alright, so the right-hand side also does not have any like terms, so we're going to leave that alone. And now I'm just solving. The problem told me to solve for x. I'm going to put another little box around x just as a reminder for myself what letter it is that I'm looking for. And that's the only x on the board. So I'm looking to eliminate this plus 12 and the a that's right next to the x. So eliminating that plus 12, the opposite of addition would be subtraction. They eliminate. I'm combining these like terms here, which leaves me with 13 plus 3a. Alright, now I have two letters next to each other. The question is what math operation is between them, what is happening between the two of them. And in fact, it's multiplication. There's a little tiny invisible multiplication sign. And so because the goal is to get x by itself, I want to eliminate the a by dividing. What I do on the left, I must do on the right, and I'm doing the division of a to every term. What happens next is just simply rewriting what's happening on the right-hand side. I think some of us have an instinct to simplify, especially when we see the a on the numerator and the denominator, but for Regents purposes, this is sufficient. So you could have had this as your answer, or you could have also had something like this. Both are correct.